Hey guys! Today I'm going to do a drawing challenge! I am going to take my dictionary and look up the first word I find within these many pages. And then I'm going to draw it, but blindfolded. This is my English-Danish dictionary, but it will work fine. My younger brother stole my real English dictionary, but I'm sure this is fine. The first word is... magic spell. Yeah. I am going to combine that with two other words, I think. Magic spell and... hydro. Magic spell and hydro. Yeah. Daylight. So, yeah. Magic spell, hydro and daylight. This is going to be exciting. So I'm ready. Going to take this down so that I will be completely blindfolded. I promise if you hold on up any fingers, I will not be able to see them. So, the first was a magical spell. Yeah. I think this doesn't work like this. Okay. There has to be a hand holding a wand. Yeah, like this. A hand on an arm. Yeah, and then there comes spell out of it. Spell, and it'll have some stars, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty. And at the end there will be some magic, like, wow, bang. You can see I turn on my light because it started to rain outside. It's quite common Danish weather. It rains all the time, or it will start to rain soon. So, I think I'm done. Oh, look how nice I did. It's just like a magical spell or something. Okay, my second word was hydro, and I assume that's could be a watermill because it's driven by water. So yeah, this is going to be a challenge, I think. Yeah, it has the wheel, the big wheel turned by the water, then some water coming out of this thing down over the mill, and it makes some splashing down here, and then it will have a building behind it, which is this. There's some more water. Yeah, yeah, there is a fish, I think, which survived going down this thing. And it turns, so it has to be with marks. Yeah, that is my watermill. Whoa, that is crazy impressive. Yeah, can you see it? This is the side where the water comes. The wheel turning when the water falls down and ends up down here. I think it's quite impressive, really. This is my building behind, I think. Yeah, pretty. So, my third word was daylight. And I don't really know how to draw that, but I guess I'll draw a window which light comes in from. So yeah, in the middle we have the window. It has a cross on it. And some curtains on the sides, I think. I hope. And out on the side is dark because daylight makes the room light, so yeah. The daylight is all the space that I haven't driven anything. So yeah, and there is something underneath this with a pretty plant on it, I think. It's a flower. It's gonna be great. And then there's light coming in, lighting up the room. Yeah. So yeah, here we have my three amazingly nice drawings. First one. Yeah, I have no idea how it should turn. And my watermill. It's pretty or something. Looks a little like a yo-yo. But yeah, it is supposed to be water. And the window. I think it's so amazing. Yeah, I'm really bad at this. I draw quite a lot also. Really drawing. So I might do some videos where I actually draw something. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed watching. I enjoyed drawing this, even though it looks horrible. So yeah, I guess I see you soon. Bye!